Hi everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. I'm back with some more book pages that my mother and I made. I'm having a hard time keeping up with the orders as I've said in all my previous videos, and so my mother stepped in and helped me, and actually her stuff is gorgeous, way better than mine. So these are all these pages are about to go in my Etsy shop in about a half hour. It's November 4th at 11 o'clock, and hopefully by 11:30-ish, these will be available in my shop. I was able to make one more set of 10 of these that have sold out. I found 10 more pages with the borders on them, which is what I love so much about these pages. And so there's ten more of these in the shop, and this is definitely going to be the last because that's the end of this book. These are all of the pages I'm going to show you today are, let me fix this lighting, are from the 1800s, actual vintage, that's very faint, actual vintage pages. The thing that everybody's loved about these is the border and also all of the patina, I guess you would call it, all the age on these pages. Look at this one, it's got so much character. They're just really super vintage looking. So this is, whoops, I dropped one. This is the Ferns collection that I've had several of in my shop, and this is going to be the last set. And they sell usually within about an hour, so if you want them, I'd run over and grab them because this is it. Okay, then I'll get to these last. The ones that my mother made are just so pretty. What she did was, and these are going to be a little more pricey than these, and they're still not going to be expensive, but a lot more time and effort and materials went into making these because what she did was took some napkins and adhered the napkins to a material that's similar to heat bond and then fussy cut out all of the details and then ironed them on to the vintage book page. These here are 5 by 6 3/4, so they're perfect for a junk journal or any kind of journal. And the colors are just vibrant fall colors, oranges and yellows, and they're just beautiful. I'll flip through each one. This one has a fun little embossed stamp on it too that was already on the book. These have been selling out on these book pages have been selling out really fast because it seems like fall colors are really in. I mean, I know it's fall right now, but fall colors to me are just beautiful. They're Look at this one. They're just gorgeous for year round. As a matter of fact, the paint colors in my house are going to be a lot of these colors in the house that we're restoring. Okay, so that's that set. There's just one set of 10. And then she made another set, and these are similar, but these are more of a theme. I think they came all from the same napkin set, and they came together. These are sort of a miscellaneous mosh of really pretty fall-colored items. But again, they're napkins that have been ironed on, so these are really smooth. And this has a pretty little heart that's popped up there. Butterflies. Who doesn't love butterflies? Look at this one. I love the simplicity of this page because this gives you space to write or to journal. Love this one. Some pretty little leaves and a little border here. A little French banner, poinsettia, and some She made kind of a washi tape effect here with the napkin. And then another poinsettia. So this is the other set, and this set is 5 by 7 1/4. Okay, that's the other set. Then the last thing that I did was I took some book pages and did more stamping. That's how I did these leaves. But I took some of my vintage stamps, and so I have a bunch of these available. These are 4 1/4 by 6 1/2, and all of these fit just beautifully into a junk journal, by the way. They just look so nice. All of these pages, just so vintage looking. But anyway, here's what I did. So there's going to be a set of 7, and there are vintage stamps. So there are a couple of typewriters in here. Here's one, and a lovely lady, the vintage hat on. Here's a vintage car. And they're different colors. I did brown, and I did a vintage photo and black. And here's a cute little pair of scissors with some stitching down the side. Here's a vintage pen. I love this one. And another typewriter. And then this one, oh, they're not all in brown and black. Sorry, this one is, I think the color is called Cabernet, and they're poppies. And I really like that stamp. I thought that looked really nice on there. So this is a set of 7. The others are sets of 10. So this is all going in the shop today. Grab them while you can, and I'll keep, Mom and I will keep plugging away, trying to keep you happy with getting these done. We're trying our best, okay? So thanks for your patience while we make these, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like down below for me. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.